Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to create a sub account as part of your subscription with B2B Sunshine Coast. So as always, we start at the homepage of B2B Sunshine Coast, but this time I'm already logged in to the website. You can see here when I'm already logged in, my little profile image is at the top here. I can see view listing and dashboard. So for this, we're going to click to dashboard. Now, as an admin to the page, I do have a few more options when it comes to publishing content that you may not recognize on your dashboard, but that's okay. The one that matters the most for this video is creating a sub account. So let's click sub account. Now, a sub account is essentially creating a whole new profile page for perhaps another business of yours. Maybe you do a podcast or on a collaboration with another business professional that you would like to promote separately on the website. Perhaps you've got a business group or a professional group that you would also like to promote through the website. Maybe a membership hub that's under a different name. All sorts of things that you may want to include as part of your overall expertise that you want to share with our community. So for this example, I'm actually going to create a page or sub account for LinkedIn Local Sunshine Coast, which is the networking group associated with B2B Sunshine Coast. So as you see, I've clicked on create new sub account, status active, so it is an active group. I'm going to do this at the company level, so I want the LinkedIn Local logo to be shown versus an image of myself. Matthew is actually the owner of LinkedIn Local, which is my business partner. So we'll go LinkedIn Local Sunshine Coast. Phone number, I can't remember his phone number, but I do have it here. Corporate events. Email address. So for this one, we've actually created an email address with B2B Sunshine Coast. And you can create a password with it as well if you choose to, just to help, if you want to log in just to your sub account. But let's please enter value. I'll change this later, given you can see it, but for now, I'll just put in the word password. At the location, so we do this at the Budgeroom Tavern. We go save and continue. Cool, so now let's log in to the sub account. Now we can build out an entire profile page around it, just like we do on the other. So we can jump in, we can put in more of the details, so if it has its own ABN, what the position is, cool, still there. For this, we'll actually just link it to the events page for B2B Sunshine Coast. And I will include our LinkedIn as well, and Facebook. Let me just pull that up. Cool, so let's change the logo. Just saved on the desktop already. Open. Yeah. Cool, I've got a cover image for this as well. I'm just going to use, looks like Matt's minutes, right. We'll skip that. We'll go, but we will add the cover image, which is from our LinkedIn. Actually, I think it's 2017 when we started this. Oh no, it was 18. Started 2018. Cool, I'm just going to pull this from our LinkedIn page. You can see the formatting hasn't quite come through, so I'll just clean that up just a little bit. Cool. What's going on here? Alrighty, so that should do it. Just checking formatting. I'm using Grammarly, by the way, if you're wondering how this is coming up, just to make sure that everything that I'm writing is correctly, the grammar's good. Even if I'm not saying, even if I'm saying words like, is the grammar good? Cool, and then obviously for this one, Budrum. Great, and that's it. Now I've created a sub account within my subscription. So if I click on view listing, right, I've now got this separate profile page just for LinkedIn Local Sunshine Coast, which is great. Right, and obviously in time I can add, more photos, I can add more detail, I can do all sorts of things now just within that sub account. So I might want to add just events related to LinkedIn Local. I might want to add the photo galleries. I can do all sorts of things within the sub account. Cool, that's it. As easy as it is, that's it. In terms of creating a sub account on B2B Sunshine Coast within your existing membership tier. And just a reminder that those sub accounts are limited to how coaching partners and event and coaching partners. So if you upgrade to one of those two memberships, you will have the option to add sub accounts. So a great way of managing multiple businesses and multiple projects in one space. So that's it from me. Thank you for watching. As always, if you've got any questions, reach out to hello@b2bsunshinecoast.com.au. Thanks.